Right, we've got £29 and we need to buy glue sticks and scissors and make the exact total of £29. The first thing we can do is see that there's a common factor of 20p in each of those, so that's what I'm going to do. That's going to simplify things a little bit, dividing by 20p each of these, and that gives me 145, 13 and 8. So we can imagine that we're adding to £1.45, 13p and 8p. So the target is 145. And if I had one pair of scissors and 0 glue sticks, it would cost 13. 0 scissors and 1 glue stick would cost 8. Now I'm going to try and guess close to the target. Now 8 times 15 is 120, and I need about 24 more, so I'll do 8 times 18. That's 144. I'm pretty close. Looking at 18 glue sticks there, costing 144. So I'm really close, but I'm just one off. So what I need to do now is find a way to add 1 to that total. So let's just see some of the things we can do. We can do, for example, I could add these two rows. That would give me 21, but what I'm going to do is I want to try and find smaller numbers. So I'm actually going to look at the difference between the first two rows, and the difference will be, if I think about the first row minus the second row, 1 minus 1 and 5. That's because 13 minus 8 is 5, and 0 minus 1 is minus 1, and so on. And I'm trying to get 1. That's my target. So another thing I could do maybe is to multiply that 5 by 3. 3 minus 3 and 15. And I'm going to multiply the 8, this row here, by 2. That's going to give me 16. So that makes 0 and 2. So all I'm doing is I'm multiplying rows. Okay. Now I've got 15 and 16, which are only 1 apart. So I'm going to do the 16 minus the 15. That's going to give me 1. 2 minus the minus 3 is 5, and 0 minus 3 is minus 3. Okay, so it's just a way of sort of creating these small differences that we need. Now the last thing we need to do is add the 144 row to the one row. That's going to give me 145. It's going to give me 23 glue sticks and minus 3 scissors. Now that's silly, but we can actually find the answer quickly now, because I can swap, because of the prices here, 8 and 13, I can swap 8 scissors for 13 glue sticks, because 8 times 13 is the same as 13 times 8. So that would mean adding 8 to the scissors, which gets me to 5, and taking 13 from the glue sticks, which gets me to 10. It still adds to 145. So my answer is, how many glue sticks did you buy? The answer here is 10.